Hello, today I'd like to give a quick demonstration of the statistics performed in Lab Unit 1, Data Collection and Analysis. You'll be performing the mean, percent error of the mean, and standard deviation. The mean is the sum of all the trials of a set of data divided by the number of trials. The percent error of the mean is a measurement of accuracy to the true value. The standard deviation is a measurement of precision, how close each of these measurements are to each other. This is very easily done using any spreadsheet program. Here's a Microsoft Excel. It's already been started and preloaded with a different sample set of data than what you have in the lab manual. There's a separate set of instructions for Google Sheets if you'd like to try the statistics using Google Sheets. The mean is very easy to calculate up here. There's even a sample widget already set up that you can easily do the sum, average, or other functions that are set up right here on the toolbar conveniently. So you can highlight the data, click on average, and it'll put the average below. So do the same over here, highlight the data, and click average. You can also use the function button here, and we will click average. Here's the average function. Okay, it asks you what cells you want to do the average, and we want to do it from D4 to D9, and it preloaded for you, convenient. Press OK. All right, percent error of the mean, we'll have to manually put this in. So you can either press here and click equal sign. So this means I'm going to program this cell to be a mathematical calculation. The absolute value is an ABS, is absolute value for the number. So we always want to have a positive number for percent error of the mean. So we want to take the mean, which we've already calculated here. So this is in cell C10. Subtract by the true value, and in this sample data, the true value is 1 mil. We want to divide by the true value, again, which is 1, and then multiply by 100. The asterisk is the multiply sign, 100, and press enter. Okay, and then you can do the same thing. You can copy it over just by dragging this corner right here, drag it over. You want to check that it put in the right thing, D10 absolute value, D10 minus 1 over 1 times 100. All right. Standard deviation, we can look up this function using the function tool. When you click up here and type in standard deviation, you'll notice a lot of different functions come up. We want the standard deviation for samples, which is this one right here. So when you have a set of data, we use the sample deviation formula for a set of data. So press OK. It's asking you which numbers, and again, you can do the drag. So click here, drag down, and it auto populates. Press enter. And again, you can click on this corner, drag it over. All right. And then you want to check that it did it correctly. Standard deviation between these set of numbers. So your job for this lab is to determine which set of data, student A or student B, in this particular sample, micropipetted 1 mil accurately, more accurately, and more precisely. So you use these set of data to answer those questions. You're going to upload a PDF of your data. So it's very important that you have a descriptive title for the table. Statistical analysis of 2 students A and B measuring 1.0 milliliters. Right. So this would be a great title for the table. You'll want to highlight and set your print area. So page layout. We're going to set our print area, set print area. So this is the area that we want to print. And you will go to File, Save as PDF. Convert to PDF. Right. Save. All right, and here's our sample data. And you will upload a PDF of your data. All right. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today.